Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. Consider subscribing so you can be a part of this chocolate soup family. Like and comment as well so that we can engage with each other. Today I have a special video for you guys, and this is going to be in our luxury field. So luxury on a budget, affordable luxury. Today's video sponsor is Filippo Loreti, and I'm going to be introducing you guys to this company and their luxury watch lines. Now, when we're talking affordable luxury, budget friendly luxury, however you want to put it, we're talking entry-level luxury. So affordable luxury is entry-level luxury. So we're not talking APs or Rolexes, you know, where you need a whole house, the cost of a house to pay for a watch. We're talking entry-level luxury. So their watches range between about $150 up to $500. That's affordable luxury. Now, $150 is equivalent to a nice bottle of perfume. I've spent that for a bottle of perfume. So a watch definitely outlasts a bottle of perfume. So this is definitely worth the investment, worth the coin. Filippo Loreti has a wide range of design styles for women and for men. I'm here to show you about their women's collection, but they do also have a men's collection as well. Now, I picked my watch out of the Muse Collection. The Muse Collection. Their Muse Collection is based off of iconic women who made their stamp in fashion history. So Coco Chanel, Marilyn Monroe, just style icons. So I picked the Marilyn watch, and I am in love with the style design of this watch. It's something very, very different for me because of the shape of the actual face of the watch. But I love it. All of my previous watches all had a round frame to them, so this one is very classic and timeless and a style that will never go out of style. Now, I did pick a two-tone watch. I just love two-tone jewelry because it gives me the best of both worlds when it comes to wearing my jewelry. I can wear silver tones and gold tones jewelry all in the same, you know, look, all at the same time because my jewelry is two-tone. So yeah, that's why I picked this type of a watch. Now, the look of this watch, like I said before, is so classic, it's so classy, and it's very, very timeless. I feel like it's a look that will not ever go out of style. It doesn't matter how long you have this watch, this style design will always be in fashion. It will always just be a look to last decades. Now, in your packaging, you also get a little welcome card. And one of the clips you saw me kind of show you how it comes packaged, but in this little white envelope you also get a little welcome card. So it lets you know, they're thanking you for your purchase. Welcome to the Filippo Loreti family. You get care instructions on how to care for your new timepiece, and you also get a cloth so that you can wipe it down to keep it dust free and just clean, so this is very important. This is something you definitely want to hold on to, that cloth, so that you can keep your watch clean. I did have to remove 2 links out of my watch. Removing the links was nothing hard to do. So I'm going to show you guys my watch, and here it is here. I'm going to put it on for you so you can get an idea of how it looks. Now mine fits perfectly now. And yeah, I got my, well, we just already had one. We already had a link removal kit, but this is how the watch looks. Just so classic. Like, this is, I love it. It's so feminine, and it's, I love this. I never would have took myself to like a watch with this face on it because I'm so used to round watches. But in the luxury field, women watches, this is just like a classic style design of the frame to have this little square little look. I'm going to come closer so you can see. It's so nice, you guys. It's so nice. And I mean, having your money invested into nice things is what we're all about in this new year. Just having nice things, nice things. Spending money on things of quality, things that will last. Like, this is really, really nice, you guys. Really, really nice. I really do think you guys will like this, and just the watches that are in that particular collection. This is really nice. Even just the background of the face of the watch, that's something new for me. You know, I kind of keep it pretty basic, you know, just circle, white face, you know, but I'm liking the options that I have now with my new timepiece, and it's really, really nice. Really, really nice, you guys. On here, oh wait, let me pull off this tape. So on the back here, you also have your stamping that, you also have your stamp that says Filippo Loreti. I know it's upside down, it's just the way that I have my watch on, but you have this stamp here that says Filippo Loreti, and it's really, really nice. This is just so nice. Like, it's very neat. I love it. I love this, and I love this for you guys, which is why I wanted to bring this video to you. I was so excited when they reached out to me, because I wanted a nice watch, but I know I'm not like Rolex ready yet. You know, I'm not in that lane, you know, not yet. But you know, just, you know, a nice piece that's age appropriate, lifestyle appropriate, you know. It's just, it's a nice piece. This is a really nice piece, and spending your money on this, like I said, is equivalent to a nice bottle of perfume. So don't think it's strange, or don't think like, oh my god, I'm not spending that much for a watch. I can just go to Target, you know. Everybody goes to Target. Everybody don't go to Filippo Loreti, you know. So you can go to Filippo Loreti. You guys, this watch is also water resistant. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. So, you know, you can, and it's a free money back guarantee as well. Like, if you get your watch and you're not impressed with it, or you don't like it, you can send it back and get your money back. A 2-year warranty is well enough time to see if something with this type of price tag will hold up. So you're in a win-win situation, so to speak, you know, because you won't feel like your money is wasted if you don't like it, because you can't get it back. Or you can feel like, oh my god, this is money well spent, you know, because I do have my 2-year warranty. I really do like the look of it, you know, and I have a nice classic timepiece. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't wear watches to tell the time. Every time I need to know what time it is, I do whip out my phone. Watches for me is just arm candy. It's just a piece that completes the look, you know. That's it. That's what I use my watches for. I don't, when somebody asks me what time it is, I always have a watch on. I never do this and tell them what time. I get my phone, you know. So this is just a piece of the overall look of this picture that I'm trying to give. That's how my watches are, just a piece of my picture, you know. So yes, I mean, all just so put together, just so neat and looking just classy and grown. I love this. I love this, and I love it for you guys. So I do have a coupon code for you guys so that you can save some money. Every detail and all the links that you will need will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Filippo Loreti, for sponsoring today's video, so that I can, you know, share with the people who you are, what you have to offer. Yes, so I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.